Retirement is supposed to be relaxing, and your motorcycle should be too. No chain maintenance, no cramped riding position, no 180 horsepower monster trying to launch you into retirement twice. Today, we're counting down 5 Japanese shaft-drive motorcycles that are smooth, reliable, comfortable, and perfect for riders over 50 who still love the open road. And trust me, number 1 might be the smartest motorcycle ever built for senior riders. Number 5. Honda Pacific Coast 800. The Honda Pacific Coast 800 looks like somebody turned a Honda Accord into a motorcycle. And honestly, that's part of the charm. Back in the day, traditional bikers laughed at this thing because it looked too practical. But retired riders? Oh, they finally understand the genius. Underneath all that plastic bodywork sits a silky smooth 800 cubic centimeter V-twin engine paired to one of the easiest shaft drive systems Honda ever built. No chain cleaning, no adjustment headaches. Just twist the throttle and go enjoy your weekend. The riding position is relaxed, the seat is sofa-level comfortable, and the weather protection is fantastic. But the real magic is the trunk. This thing has one of the biggest integrated storage compartments ever fitted to a motorcycle. Groceries? No problem. Extra jackets? Easy. Snacks for the grandkids? Absolutely. It opens like the trunk of a car, which honestly feels more luxurious every year after 50. And reliability? It's a Honda. These bikes routinely go well over 100,000 miles with basic maintenance. The Pacific Coast may not be flashy, but neither is a recliner, and everybody loves those. But if you think this bike is comfortable, wait until you see the next machine on the list. This next one feels like a luxury touring bike disguised as a cruiser. Number 4. Honda ST 1300. The Honda ST 1300 is what happens when Honda engineers decide to build a motorcycle specifically for eating up highway miles without breaking your back. This thing is smooth, refined, and unbelievably comfortable for long-distance touring. Many retired riders call it the ultimate cross-country machine nobody talks about anymore. Underneath the bodywork sits a 1,261 cubic centimeter V4 engine producing around 125 horsepower. But don't let that number scare you. The power delivery is incredibly smooth and predictable. This bike isn't trying to rip your arms off. It's designed to cruise effortlessly at highway speeds all day long while barely breaking a sweat. The shaft drive system makes the ST 1300 even more appealing for older riders. Long trips become simpler because there's less maintenance to worry about. The wind protection is excellent, the seat is plush, and the riding position keeps pressure off your wrists and knees. Honestly, this bike feels less like a motorcycle and more like a Japanese bullet train with mirrors. Now yes, it's heavy. Very heavy. You don't want to drop this thing in a gravel parking lot unless you've been practicing your deadlifts. But once it's rolling, the balance is fantastic. And if you think this Honda is smooth, wait until you see the next bike, because it might be the most comfortable cruiser ever built by a Japanese manufacturer. At number 3, Yamaha Royal Star Tour Deluxe. The Yamaha Royal Star Tour Deluxe is what happens when Yamaha decides to build a couch with an engine. And what an engine it is! Hidden beneath all that chrome is a glorious 1,300 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V4 borrowed from the legendary Yamaha Venture touring bike. Unlike big rumbling V-twins that shake your reading glasses loose at stoplights, this V4 is incredibly smooth. It produces effortless power without feeling aggressive or intimidating. And paired with a shaft drive, the entire riding experience feels refined and almost automotive in the best possible way. Long-distance comfort is where this bike shines. Huge floorboards, wide handlebars, plush seats, and excellent wind protection make this motorcycle ideal for retired riders who still want adventure, but maybe without needing ibuprofen afterward. You can ride this thing all day and still feel good enough to stop for pie afterward. Now yes, it's a big motorcycle, no question about it. But Yamaha balanced the weight surprisingly well, and once moving, it feels far lighter than expected. Plus, the reliability is outstanding. These engines are known for lasting forever with basic maintenance. But speaking of motorcycles that last forever, the next bike might be one of the most dependable touring machines Japan ever built. Number 2. Yamaha FJR 1300. The Yamaha FJR 1300 is proof that getting older doesn't mean giving up speed, fun, or excitement. This motorcycle combines sport bike performance with touring comfort in a package that older riders absolutely love. It's fast when you want it to be, calm when you need it to be, and incredibly refined overall. The engine is a 1,298 cubic centimeter inline-4 producing serious power, but what makes the FJR special is how smooth and controllable everything feels. The throttle response is refined, the wind protection is excellent, and the bike feels planted on the highway. It can carve corners surprisingly well for a touring machine, which keeps riding exciting even after decades on two wheels. And yes, shaft drive again. Quiet, smooth, and virtually maintenance-free. That means more riding and less garage work. Yamaha built the FJR to handle huge mileage, and many owners easily cross 100,000 miles without major issues. It's one of the most respected sport touring motorcycles ever made for good reason. Now the seating position is slightly sportier than the cruisers on this list, so riders with bad knees or back issues may prefer something more upright. But if you still enjoy spirited riding and don't want a motorcycle that feels boring, the FJR 1300 is incredibly hard to beat. But the number one bike on this list? It may be the best all-around retired rider motorcycle Japan has ever built. Number 1. Honda Goldwing. Come on, you knew this was coming. The Honda Goldwing is the king of comfortable motorcycles, especially for riders over 50. This bike has been carrying retired riders across America for decades, and honestly, Honda perfected the formula years ago. If your dream motorcycle feels more like a luxury touring car on two wheels, the Goldwing is the answer. The flat-6 engine is unbelievably smooth. Seriously, it almost doesn't feel real the first time you ride one. Power delivery is effortless, vibration is nearly non-existent, and the bike glides down the highway like it's floating. Long-distance riding becomes easy because the bike does so much work for you. And naturally, it uses shaft drive, because chain maintenance on a giant luxury touring motorcycle would be ridiculous. Add heated grips, massive luggage capacity, comfortable seating, excellent wind protection, and legendary Honda reliability, and you begin to understand why so many riders keep their Goldwings for decades. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's heavy. And yes, backing it into a parking space can sometimes feel like docking a cruise ship. But once you're moving, few motorcycles on Earth feel this comfortable, stable, and confidence-inspiring. For many retired riders, the Goldwing isn't just a motorcycle, it's the final motorcycle. And that's the list. Which one would you actually ride into retirement? Would you take the sporty Yamaha FJ R1300, the massive Vulcan Voyager, or the legendary Goldwing? Let us know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and join us for more motorcycles built for real-world riders, not just YouTube racers. Ride safe, stay comfortable, and we'll see you in the next one.